Now in Telangana, roping in sports icons to help farmers in distress and hiking compensation for farmers' suicide families are efforts to actually reach out to farmers and their families. Now the KCR government has hiked compensation to families of farmers who kill themselves, but the decision to pay hiked compensation only in cases where death occurred after the announcement has created quite a bit of a controversy.
Sport icons Jwala Gutta, Pragyan Ojha and Sania Mirza are the new farm ambassadors in Telangana. TRS MP Kavita says it is an effort to reach out to farmers in distress.
As a responsible citizen, I think it is our duty. We should stand up for them. We should come forward in any which way. And I'm happy that, Kavita thought of me and thought of us.
My family background is like we are a farmer. So I know the pain what my great grandparents have gone through. Our brothers who have been the backbone of our country and been contributing silently. I really thought, this is the right time, and whatever I have achieved in my life and whatever stage I am in right now, I should be, without any doubt or without any second thought, just come forward and do something for them, because today where I'm standing is because of them.
The TRS MP said families of 80 farmers are being adopted by volunteers of her NGO, Telangana Jagriti. This comes even as the Telangana government has announced that compensation for farmer suicide is being raised from 1.5 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees. What has, however, become controversial is the government saying only deaths that occur after the 19th of September will be eligible for the hiked compensation.
हम इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि इसको पॉलिटिकल मुद्दा ना बनाएं. We will look at it as a farmer's issue. We will look at it from a human angle. Main idea is to keep the family together even after the farmer's death.
Opposition parties claim over 1,200 farmers have killed themselves in the last 1 year in Telangana, whereas the government says 430 farmer suicide deaths were reported, of which 141 have been found eligible for compensation. Even that will not be the hiked amount. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.